Morning, guys. We have been talking about how to write a race response. And that is a type of writing that's formal writing where we have to figure out how to answer a question. And we use the acronym RACE. Do you remember what the R stands for? We've got an R down here. R means we need to restate the question. Let's see. I'm not sure if you can see way up there, so I'll put it here. R means restate the question. So the first thing you do when you are formally answering something is that you have to find the question. So when we're looking up here, this one's not too hard to find. There's a paragraph. In the end, in bold, there's a question. Let me go ahead and let's read the text and see what's happening. Jen's mistake. Jen liked to help her mom bake. One day they were making cupcakes. Jen mixed the flour, sugar, eggs, and milk. Then she stuck her finger in the batter so she could have a lick. Yuck! All she could taste was salt. She ran to get a drink of water. Oh no, her mom said. Instead of adding sugar, you added salt. It was a baking day that Jen would never forget. Why didn't the cupcake batter taste good? Now I'm going to tell you, third graders, there is something in third graders that you want to just quick answer that question and say, oh, I know why it didn't taste good. I know why. But we're learning how to do a race response. So the first thing we have to do is restate the question. So we found the question, why didn't the cupcake batter taste good? Let's get rid of the question words. Why is a question, and let's get rid of the question mark. And now we've got to make a sentence, a statement. Didn't the cupcake batter taste good? Well, that's not a complete sentence. Can I use a lot of those words and rearrange them so they make sense? Let's see, didn't the cupcake batter taste good? The cupcake batter did not taste good. That works. Capital T, because I'm starting my sentence. And you guys say this to me, but you don't always do it. Sentences start with a capital. The cupcake batter did not taste good. Is that a true statement? Yes, it is a true statement. We know it didn't. She said yuck up here. All right, now I'm going to end it with punctuation. Let's see, did I use a lot of my words from the question in my restatement? The cupcake batter, well, did not, that goes with didn't, right? Taste good. Capital punctuation, my R looks pretty good. Then the other thing we've been working on is our A. A is where we simply answer it. So let's think about what we read. Why didn't the cupcake batter taste good? What was Jen's mistake? What did she do? Can you find it? Right, she added salt. Okay, she meant to put in sugar, but she put in salt. Now we need to have a complete sentence. So why didn't the cupcake batter taste good? The cupcake batter did not taste good. What did Jen do? Jen added salt instead of what? Instead of sugar. Oops, not a sugar, instead of sugar. Notice, this is another sentence. I started with a capital, I ended with punctuation. Let's see. Instead of adding sugar, you added salt. Yep, that's the correct answer. That is the very beginning of my race response. I've restated and then I've answered. That is 2 complete sentences that I have, and that's what you're practicing doing.